Hello, good evening, friend. Now let us see the question number 6. What the question number 6 is all about, student. They are saying that is name the common element present in the anode mud in electrolytic refining of the copper. Why they so present? Okay. So in the electrolytic refining, you know that is the what is the method, student. That is impure metal we made, that is the anode, and pure metal strip we made the cathode. So in the anode, student, what is the impurities are there, and when electrolysis start, student, so what is happening, there is whatever the impurities are there, they will fall down, in the bottom of the anode. So let us see what the slide is saying, student. In electrolytic refining of copper, the common elements present in anode mud. Okay, so if you talk about that is anode mud, student, anode mud. So what are there, student? This is first one is selenium is there, selenium. And next one, when you are talking about after selenium, student, that is tellurium is also there, and silver is there, and gold is there, student, platinum is there, and antimony is there. So that is these elements are there in the form of impurities, that is anode mud. Why they are present, student? The next part of the question, why they so present, why are they so present? So answer is these elements are very less reactive and are not affected during the purification process. These elements are very less reactive. These elements are very less reactive and are not affected during the purification process. Okay. Hence they settle down below the anode as a anode mud. So since we know that is this platinum is there, gold is there, silver is there, they are known as inert metal. They are very less reactive. Okay, so if they are very less reactive, so they are not affected during the purification process. Whenever the electrolysis you will do, student, they will not getting reduced on the cathode. So what will be there, student? They will be as it is. They will little bit you can come out on the here board, student, for the little bit understanding. So the anode mud, when you are talking, student, anode mud. So when you are talking about anode mud, so that is anode mud is the impurities, student, and in the anode mud of the copper refining, if you are talking about the copper refining of the copper, student, refining of the copper refining, if you talk about, okay, so what are their anode mud, student? Their first one is selenium, tellurium, silver, gold, platinum, and antimony. These many elements are there. Now what we have to do is, student, firstly you try to understand this is, suppose the process, if you want to understand the process, so you take that is copper, impure copper you are have to make the anode, student. This is the anode, and what is that? Impure copper. If you are taking, what you are taking is, student, impure copper, and metal strip is there, student, that is pure copper, pure copper metal strip. Okay, pure copper metal strip. This is this one. Now what we have to do is, student, this we have to add with this. Okay, this we have to add this here. Okay, now when you are adding this, student, with the battery, so when the electrolysis, this will be the copper sulfate is there, copper sulfate. So here when electrolysis will start, student, so all the copper 2 plus ion, copper 2 plus, whatever the copper 2 plus ion, they will come here on the cathode, student, pure copper, and they will be deposited. They will move here in this direction, and they all will be deposited, student. They all will be what, student? They all will be deposited. So if they will deposit, student, so what will be, that is pure. After that you will can do. What is the principle here, student? Principle, if you want to understand principle, student, so that is impure, and when these impurities will be in the form of mud, student, here it will be the collected. Like what are the impurities, student? That already I explained you impurities. So in the form of impurities, firstly selenium, then tellurium is there also, and what is other is there, that is silver is there, Ag, फिर gold is there, platinum is there, student, and also antimony is also there, student. Antimony means Sb. So these are there. So this is the anode mud, and anode mud is what, student? Anode mud is impurities. Anode mud, meaning of anode mud is impurities. I was explaining the principle, student. Principle is that is impure metal. Impure metal, if you are having impure metal, so impure metal is what, student? Impure metal is made. What is made, student? Impure metal is made what? Anode. Impure metal is made anode. While that is pure metal strip is made what student? Strip is made cathode, is made what student? Is made cathode. So this is our answers. Okay, so the question is, name the common element present in anode mud student in electrolytic refining of copper. So that is anode mud, selenium, tellurium, okay, silver, gold, platinum, antimony are there. And why they are present student? Because they are very less reactive and are not affected during the purification process. Okay, hence they are settled down below the anode mode. Thank you so much for watching, friends.